Did you know that understanding stock market futures could give you a glimpse into the financial world of tomorrow? Stay with me, and I'll show you how futures can help you predict market trends, make smarter investments, and even safeguard your portfolio. Welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could transform how you see the stock market. Stock market futures. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding futures can give you a serious edge. What are stock market futures? Let's break it down simply. Stock market futures are contracts where two parties agree to buy or sell an index or a commodity at a predetermined price on a future date. Think of it as making a deal today for something that happens tomorrow. Why are they so important? Futures provide insights into market sentiment. Essentially, they help you see whether traders are optimistic or cautious about the near future. Why you should care. Understanding futures can help you in several ways. Market predictions. Futures give you clues about how the stock market might open the next day. Portfolio protection. If you think the market will drop, you can use futures to hedge your investments. Opportunities for profit. Active traders use futures to speculate on short-term price movements. How do they work? Let's say it's Sunday night, and you're curious about how the stock market will perform on Monday. You check the futures market and see that the S&P 500 futures are up. This suggests that traders expect the market to open higher the next day. But be cautious, futures aren't guarantees. They're influenced by global events, company earnings, and even geopolitical news. A real-world example. In early 2020, when the pandemic hit, stock market futures plummeted, signaling a massive market downturn. Those who paid attention to futures had the chance to adjust their strategies before the markets officially opened. Should you invest in futures? Futures aren't for everyone. They're complex and carry risks, but they're also powerful tools if you understand them. Beginners might want to focus on learning before diving in, while experienced traders can use them for speculation or hedging. Tips for beginners. Start by tracking futures data for major indices like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, or Nasdaq. Understand the factors that influence futures news, earnings reports, and global events. Practice with virtual trading platforms before committing real money. Conclusion. Stock market futures can seem intimidating, but they're an invaluable resource for anyone looking to stay ahead in the financial game. By understanding and using futures wisely, you'll not only predict market movements, but also make more informed investment decisions. So, are you ready to explore the world of futures? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.